Here we have a 500 kilo welding positioner, Redrock, with foot control, variable speed, power tilt. Cooling fan to the motor. Obviously foot control. Machine will be sold either as is or service to order. Controls there is obviously tilt and rotate, variable speed, power on and off, and obviously tilt up and down. We'll just wait till we get to the limit switch and then we shall use the foot control. Weight of the machine is 485 kilos. Like I say, single phase. Just flick it on to rotate. Table rotate in one direction. Table rotate back in the other direction. Everything to the underside of the table. More details available on Westermans.com on this and other welding positioners that are in stock. From 50 kilos all the way up to 10,000 kilos and possibly 20,000 kilos, which are actually in stock. Thank you for looking.